In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your account in Microsoft Copilot in just a few simple steps. This process is straightforward and accessible, so let's dive right in and get you started. First off, we'll begin with opening up Google. This is likely your current browser, and a familiar starting point for many of us whenever we embark on a quest for information online. Now, before we head towards Microsoft, it's crucial to ensure that you have a Microsoft account. If you haven't set one up already, I recommend pausing here to do so. A Microsoft account is your gateway into the suite of Microsoft services, including the innovative Microsoft Copilot. If you're not sure whether you have one, you can check by visiting Microsoft's official website, or if you're familiar with it, you can sign into services like Outlook or OneDrive to verify. Assuming you've got that part covered, go ahead and type Microsoft into the Google search bar. You'll see the official Microsoft link appear at the top of the search results. Click on this link to head over to the Microsoft website. With the Microsoft site at your fingertips, simply by being here, you're on the right path. What's happening in the background is that it's setting the stage to create your account in Microsoft Copilot. If all prerequisites have been met, such as having a Microsoft account logged in already. Now, let's make sure that the account creation for Microsoft Copilot is all in place. We'll switch back to Google for a quick check. So, open a new tab in your browser and return to the Google homepage. Type Microsoft Copilot into the search bar and hit enter. You should look for the link to the official Microsoft Copilot webpage in the search results and click on it. At this point, you should be able to see your account confirmation within Microsoft Copilot's interface. So there you have it. It's that easy to confirm that your new Microsoft Copilot account has been set up. If you encounter any issues, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account correctly, as this can often be the root of access problems. Also, ensuring that your operating system and browsers are updated can eliminate potential technical difficulties. Thanks for sticking around and joining me in today's tutorial. Remember, technology is meant to simplify, not complicate, and with Microsoft Copilot, you're now a step ahead in leveraging innovation to enhance your productivity. Until next time, keep exploring and making the most out of your digital tools.